Right, I'm on. Right, hello everybody. We are at the NEC Motorhome and Camping and Caravan Club. We've come to look at some camper vans, and this one is a motorhome, and this one is totally not what we were looking for, but we like so far the layout of it.
This is nice from the lights.
It's a lot smaller than what we were looking for, but I think the kitchen area and the living area would work for us. We're just not sure about the bedroom area. There's the fridge. That's a little one. It's got that.
Nice.
It's got like what's the name at the bottom?
Oh, you want to see one I saw then? Yeah, this is in the shower. I saw another one.
Baby, will you come and help? Because I want you to help. I'm trying to record and look at the same time. So that's your shower. Little window above. That's your bedroom.
Yeah.
And that's your toilet. Quite spacious, really, for a bathroom. Or should I say a toilet or a sink. So like I say, this is the sort of bed we're looking at. We're just seeing how easy it is for Richard to get in and out, as he has back issues. Right. I'm going to switch off for now, and I'll record some more as we go on.
Yeah, there's no problem too. There's one on YouTube for YouTube.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Spam. Thank you very much.
It's an iron bed, and it's quite low.
Again, this looks a bit packed.
This looks to say this is sort of, this one looks quite tight.
And it's a big step as well, which is.
And you got your fridge. Your fridge is right next to your bedroom.
This is not
Yeah, not practical.
comfortable.
Have you got your mic on?
No. You should have a 20-metre radius on that one.
Yeah, I know.
It's nice.
Too small, baby.
Nice cat. Oh, you drop down belly.
I think your toilet's going to be in there as well, because it's your toilet and your shower.
I think we might have to rethink the length, because this is a small lengthwise.
I keep getting the bar in the way. The bar. Look, bar's in the way. I think I got it tilted wrong.
How are you finding the CM660?
Too sorry, too small.
Yeah, we're trying to be practical about the length.
Okay.
Hello, just showing you another one we've had a look of. This has got plenty of space to move about in. So that's the front of the cab. I'm stood next to the bed at the moment. Richard's in the driver's seat. So I'll do a quick turn. That is your shower. I've got some pictures as well, so look on for the pictures. I'll take a picture of the name of it when I get outside. He's got steps going up to the bed. Little cupboards. When you walk in, you just go, wow, at this one. On the outside, it looks quite small, but this one is doable.
Oh, table.
Oh, pulls out, yeah. You've got your fridge and your freezer and a microwave. Yeah. And this one, is it a 2-berth or a 4-berth?
I believe.
Got spare seat belts there, so it will passenger for 4. But this is plenty of room. You're not going to be tripping over each other if one of you wants to go to the back and one of you is working at the kitchen. Plenty of space.
It doesn't say.
Doesn't say. Right, I'm going to step outside now to show you what model this one is. So this is the model. So it says it's a 4-berth, 4 seat belts, 4 berths. So it looks like a bed comes down as well. You can have a bed interior where the bed comes down. Very nice, this one. I think we both like this one. Picture of it from the back. It's very nice, this one.
Yeah. Watch where you stand there.
Oops.
Have you got a motorhome at the moment?
Right?
Have you got a motorhome at the moment?
No.